KG Music, Sweet Water, Money Green. Rod, I'm better for it. I talk straight through the metaphors. I'm trying to see the Lord. I move on one accord so I can open up them pearly doors. I'm trying to get to y'all. They can't understand a man in progress. This lifestyle my mess. Smoke another blunt, why should I stress? I pray to God every day. Damn, am I blessed? Yes, it's just human nature. They was born this way, that's why they hate ya. I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth, Miss Hawkins. I was born with the hump to spark 'em. Condo, brand new Loftus, mini jet. Damn, I'm flossing. I got money now, I can't endorse them. The way that I spit, awesome. Like. Why you do me that way? Right. Nigga. Shouldn't you do me that way? Wrist look like I signed with MJ. Them say my flow and numb like Ben Gay. Man, it's like a sensei. Rap is my entree. Tear through the game. Little man got a part made. Talking behind my back. Why you wanna start me? Heating me up, just kicking me up. I love the press, keep speaking me up. Haters wanna see me and stuff. They talked about Mike, they talked about God. So you know they gon' talk about Rod. I'm just trying to talk to my daughter, provide for my son, then become the one. My words will change the world biblically. My soul will change my life physically. Mentally, I'm still the best, just far. Still next to the moon, so call me a star.